Hi everyone, this is a 1998 Ford Mustang GT convertible, 4.6 liter, and let's just do a tour around it. And what I want to show you is that there's no damage, no rust. The rims are California rims, original for the car. The roof is original. It doesn't leak. And that's a positive. We have four-wheel disc brakes, and let's just show you the trunk here. You'll see that the trunk is in pretty good shape. Full mats here. Spare tire is in the back with the manual. It's all there. There's no rust on this vehicle. Okay, I'll just walk around here. Got a nice spoiler on the back of it. As you can see, there's absolutely no rust on this vehicle. It's a California car. Let's take a look at the engine here. It's a 4.6 liter. Oops. Top the hood. There it is. It's clean, maybe a little dusty, but other than that, it's in good shape. Let me start it up for you and you can hear it run. So it runs nice and quiet. The exhaust is in good shape. I'm selling the vehicle certified, if you're interested. And the roof works, goes up and down. It's all electronic or hydraulic, whatever it is. And so let me go put the roof down and we'll move it out of the driveway and you can see it run. How's that? Thought I'd take a picture of the interior. Interior is all leather and it's in very good condition. Now the carpet does have stains on it, but I have a brand new carpet that I have it with me, but I haven't installed it. Okay, so let's go for a ride.
No, you're going to put the lid down.